Now, the reasons to do this is actually to increase your fuel flow in your S55 motor. If you saw my dyno videos after my turbo upgrades, I was absolutely running out of fuel. At high RPMs, especially on E85, my high pressure fuel rail was starting to fail, and it just couldn't keep up. One of the best solutions for that is the Dorch high pressure lift kit. It's a little bit of a more complicated install than some of the others that you might see, but at the same time, this is something that you can definitely do yourself. And I wanted to share that process with you as you go through it and you use their guide to do the install. All right, so with all of that, let's go ahead and jump up to BIMTech. Let's get the install started.